So managing your direct spend is the union of different business processes. There's actually more than three, but here we just have three examples. So let's think about on the far right at the bottom, our sourcing and procurement stakeholders and those business processes. They focus on different items like cost, contract compliance, automating and making the process more efficient, having as much spend be as part of the process, that's spend coverage, and of course, risk with suppliers. Now, they're going to be caring about different things, some more than others, and other things that are not on this list, but that spans an area. Your supply chain and manufacturing teams really want to focus on making sure their assets are utilized properly. They have good control over inventory. And the term that's really important is more about optimized. More inventory is okay as long as it's the right kind. Or less inventory might be better. So it really has to do with how the business works, what their business model is, and their objectives are. On time, making sure suppliers ship to you on time and you ship to your customers on time. Quality should be pretty straightforward. We want to make sure we have the right level of quality. And quality means so many different things in different industries. You want to make sure that the right type of inspection has occurred. The right type of traceability can occur as well in the case of a product issue. So different industries have different examples. In cell phones, we had batteries overheating, causing danger and damage. In the food and beverage industry, you have safety and quality bacteria. In other consumer goods industry, you have toy safety, toy makers. So every type of industry has a form of quality. And of course, they care about costs. So those are key care-abouts from supply chain and manufacturing organizations. Again, they'll have different priorities, and there'll be things that are not on this list, but fundamentally, there'll be a few things on this list that they focus on. The teams that are generating the great ideas, new product introduction and new product innovation, they care about different things as well, like sustainability. Are they going to be using the right type of packaging, or the right type of capabilities? If it's a food packaging, do they want that to be recyclable? They want to get these products to market fast. Certain industries, the quicker you can get a product to market can translate to millions of dollars of revenue. Manufacturability is a new word we created. That simply means while we're designing the product, let's make sure we can still build it within the right parameters, within the right safety capabilities, within the capabilities of our own plants that we own or our suppliers, and it can be made safely, effectively, and efficiently. And that brings costs, of course. So as we're building new products, designing new products, we'd like to make sure that the costs are consummate with how we want to launch it. If it's a very premium product, maybe the costs are okay, that they're a little bit higher. If it's a very high volume, low cost strategy, then you want to make sure the costs are in line. Of course, quality as well. We want to make sure that the product has the right level of quality and serviceability. So all three of these stakeholders and organizations and processes care about their different things. The union, that center area, which is common to all, once you have those worked on together, you then are able to achieve more strategic metrics like cost of goods, improve working capital, better intimacy and closeness with your suppliers, having the ability to have your supply chain be more agile, which is very important in the post-COVID economy. So that's the key point here, is solving each of these problems is what various vendors can do. We at SAP solve all these problems, which when solved together, give you a union of incredibly high value, which is in that upper box.